Okay, time to take a look at the CARFKA air horn. So we got our pump, we got our air supply right here, we got our positive and negative terminals on the bottom, so we got a mounting spot, so pretty simple. We got our air supply tube, so that will connect to here, and then to the horn. We got the horns themselves. They are actually made out of metal. There's a couple mounting spots on the bottom, and then we've got our air inlet right there. They actually included a mounting bracket and a bunch of bolts so that we can attach it. We got our wiring harness. We got a relay. This is a 12 volt 80 amp. And we got our instructions. So we can just take our relay, we can mount that to something, and then we would plug in the wiring harness like that. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to take one signal, which would be our horn. So we would press it. We take that signal, connect it between these two. It doesn't matter which side is which, but this will send a signal to this relay. And we want to have power going from the red to the yellow. So the red will connect to the battery, and it does have a 30 amp fuse in it. The yellow will go to the positive, and you can see it's got that plus on it. So this will just stick right here. And whenever you provide 12 volts here, it will supply power to the compressor. And then the last thing is the black wire, which will go to the negative. And then you just run that to ground. So pretty simple. Now, as an alternative, if you just want to supply power straight to it, still a good idea to use the fuse, but you would just connect positive there, negative there, and then it will be on. It does say in the instructions that it uses 15 amps of power. So you want to make sure that whatever you're connecting to it can carry that kind of current. So I just got positive, positive, negative, and negative, and we will see what kind of air we can get. Okay, that puts out quite a bit of air. I am going to need hearing protection. Okay. That is crazy loud. Okay, that is a pretty awesome setup. If you want to make sure that you're heard, this will do the trick.